Good afternoon, everyone. I am Meenu Agarwal, Assistant Professor in Biotechnology Department. Welcome you all for joining us today for two-day International Conference on Biotrends, organized by Department of Biotechnology, NIET. It's my pleasure to introduce our first speaker for the day, Dr. N.G. Lakshmi Narayan. Dr. N.G. Lakshmi Narayan, he is currently the Chief Business Development Officer, National Research Development Corporation, New Delhi. Dr. Lakshmi Narayan has commercialized the innovations and technologies developed by the laboratories associated with the Central Silk Board and other R&D organizations. In the past, Dr. Lakshmi Narayan has headed as Senior Manager, Business Development and Coordinator, IFPC, NRDC, Bangalore. He has also marketed technologies and concluded 237 technology transfer license agreements and generated revenues of more than rupees 4.22 crore from technology transfer to his credit. He has successfully implemented intellectual property facilitation center project funded by Ministry of MSME, Government of India and NRDC at Bangalore. Dr. Lakshmi Narayan has established a rural technology demonstration cum training center in South India and an insect pathology laboratory at UAS Bangalore. Dr. Lakshmi Narayan has also collaborated with R&D organizations, universities, institutes, academia, NGOs, and industry associations for providing IP protection and technology commercialization services. We are pleased to have you here, sir. Please enlighten us with your thoughts.
Okay, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. I thank Dr. Rashmi Mishra. Okay, thank you very much, Dr. Rashmi Mishra, as well as Dr. D.P. Bhatt for giving me this introduction to Noida Institute. I would have loved to visit your place and give this talk. Participants, I think majority of you are from the life science background, and now you see there is a lot of opportunity for people who have started this the background in which you are looking for. You have I think entered into bachelor's or master's programs, and you would be doing a lot of research. What is it that you do in research? You are aiming at finding something new in the research, right? Well, let me briefly tell you what our organization aims for once you do the research. The organization in which I work is called National Research Development Corporation. We are basically a public sector enterprise under the Ministry of Science and Technology, which is catering to the needs of the R&D as well as to the industry. Whatever development is happening in the R&D is taken forward to the industries through NRDC. Our basic objective is to take innovations to the industries, and in the process we also provide services for protecting, developing and commercializing the technologies. So I'll quickly go to the next slide. See, you can see the strength of NRDC here, our expertise, our partnerships and achievements over the years. We are basically a technology transfer organization wherein we process technologies or research accomplishments of R&D for their future potential in industry. We have strong linkages with the R&D as well as the industry across the country, and we have concluded almost about 5,000 technology license agreements as of now. And before we actually start talking about what these technologies are, So basically, when industry approaches us, the industry wants technologies that are protected. So knowledge that is protected has value. You are all aware about it. So what is the kind of protection available for the knowledge or the research achievements of the R&D? So there are several tools that are available, the legal tools as well as the secrecy tools. Here you are seeing here. The main important tool for protection of technologies are patent, copyright, trademark, design registration, geographical indications, layout design of integrated circuits, plant varieties. These are the tools that are available for protecting the knowledge that is created in the R&D. So I will not go much into detail. Patent is very important. As you are aware, the functional features of any new development that is taken as that is developed is usually protected in the form of a patent. So, what are the kind of tools that you need to use? We will advise the R&D institutions how to go about when they enter into some kind of a memorandum of understanding with NRDC. We will guide the institution and the scientists on how these tools have to be utilized for protecting their knowledge that has been developed over the years. Which tool to be used? I don't think there is any super hit formula to for this. Usually, we always combine tools that are used for protecting knowledges that are being developed. Often they are used in combination, and in when it is used in combination, we usually call it as a technical know-how with a bundle of IP rights. So this is the NRDC operation model. On the left, you see the technology sources. NIT also, any and Noida Institute also could be one of the sources of technology. And these are the value additions that NRDC does for the technologies that are developed by the institutions. And on the right, we see the industries, entrepreneurs, startups to whom we advance these technologies or the users of the technology. These are the various services that we offer, uh, the process of development of technology. Basic information that is provided by the R&D institutions are evaluated techno-commercially. Once this is evaluated and we get a positive feedback on the technology level of adoption, we go into licensing activities. Parallelly, we also provide some kind of a financial support to the R&D institutions for proving their prototypes or doing some kind of a field trials or for product testing or any such small activities in which there is some kind of a value addition in terms of the experimentation that is being done at the R&D institution. Additionally, we also do market survey for the for finding out what is the potential of the technology. We also carry out basic engineering design package studies, and we also carry out feasibility studies. Many other studies we do at our cost before we actually offer this technology to the industry for licensing. And wherever possible, the technology is successfully commercialized by industry in the country. And if there is a demand for such a technology elsewhere outside the country, so we export these technologies on a turnkey basis. And we also have a dedicated technology portal on our website where the information on technology seekers as well as technology offers that the industries, the R&D develops can be placed on the portal and the information could be exchanged. We also carry out detailed project report studies, diagnostic studies. We have a lot of technology database on technologies as well as meeting databases. Nowadays, patent databases has become online, and we have dedicated subscription tools for doing a patent search, analysis, and a lot of other studies which are required for industry to get the confidence in launching products or entering into a new
Sir,
market.
so,
Yeah.
sorry to interrupt you, sir. Sir, your slides are not moving. So please
Yeah.
scroll down. Sir, your slides are not moving.
Slides are not coming.
No, no, sir. So please scroll down. We are not able to see the slides. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You,
Thank you, sir.
you can see that.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Shall I expand it
Yes, sir.
now?
Please continue. Yes, sir.
Okay, I was talking about the services that NRDC offers. So these are the main services or the mandatory services that NRDC offers. Uh, in technology evaluation, what we do is when an R&D submits its proposals for commercializing NRDC technologies through NRDC, we basically do a techno-commercial evaluation. So what we look into that is the techno-commercial feasibility of the technology for its adoption in the industry. Okay. Uh, in addition to that, we also provide a small kind of support to the R&D institutions for carrying out some kind of a prototype development. In addition to that, we also carry out market surveys, basic engineering design, feasibility studies. We prepare DPRs for projects for the industries who are interested in getting these done. And in addition to that, we also provide access to technology data bank. We also provide support to our parent ministry in pushing their schemes. In the area of promoting technologies, we also give away awards on technologies, techno- technologies that are available for commercialization. We give away awards to meritorious inventions every year in the form of a national prize award, national meritorious invention award. These are the different kinds of awards that are being offered to the R&D institutions who develop new technologies. We also participate in a lot of exhibitions showcasing technologies. We also publish magazines in Hindi as well as in English. Hindi, we call it Avishkar, which is published on a monthly basis. And Invention Intelligence is a magazine which we publish bi-monthly basis. And we also carry out a lot of interaction meets with the Association of the industries and also academic institutions to reach out to industries who are interested in acquiring technologies from NRDs. And in addition to that, we also provide consultancy services for protecting IP and we also provide services for doing patent search, as I was telling you earlier. We conduct a lot of awareness programs, seminars, workshops. And we also make policy for IP policy for academic institutions, R&D institutions, industries. These are some of the network of institutions with whom we have been associated. Name them CSIR, ICR, ICMR, some of the big universities in the country, the state agriculture universities, and a lot of institutions with whom we have been associated. And this is just a partial list. In fact, even corporates like Navani Lignite Corporation also has been associated with NRDC for transferring some of their technologies which they have developed. These are some of the customers and partners to whom services have been provided. There could be some of them could be licensees or some of them could be corporates who have taken some kind of a service like patent protection or patent prosecution from NRDC. As I was telling you about the prize award categories here, we have I'll wind up my talk here, and we will definitely meet some other time and personally visit your institution. I would like to visit institution and maybe carry forward a few things that NRDC can offer, and we will exchange information about whatever technologies have been developed by your institution to take it forward either for protection or for commercialization in the future. Thank you very much, participants. I'm very sorry there is a network issue. We will definitely meet sometime on a one-to-one basis. Sorry for the trouble that the network has been giving us today. I'll close the presentation here. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. We'll definitely meet again sometime very soon.
I'm Dr. Pratibha Pandey, Assistant Professor in the Department of Biotechnology, and I would like to thank Dr. N.G. Lakshmi Narayan sir for his insightful presentation. Your lecture was highly informative and interesting, sir. Definitely, it will help our students as well as our participants to further enhance their, or you can say widen their skill and technology in the area of research and development. This will definitely help them to further explore the area of patent, copyright, so that they can also save, not only invent, but also know the ways to safeguard their invention. Thank you so much, sir, for your insightful presentation.